Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on how to do programming using off delay timer in WPL Soft 2.36. Before that, subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In this video, we will cover on off delay timer. A pulse delay timer. Previously, I have covered on off delay timer. So create a program titled as a pulse timer, and here I'm using the same PLC model, that is EX2, and same communication settings, and click on OK. And in ladder diagram mode, I'm creating a pulse timer. I'm considering my LD, the input, that is X0 as my switch, and giving my timer address, which is for a on delay timer, pulse delay timer, and off delay timer. The timer syntax address is same, but the conditions are different for each timer. So for pulse delay timer, if we on the switch, the output will be in on condition, and after certain some time delay, the output will be goes to off condition, but still the switch is in on position only. So I'm triggering my output with one an input once, and after certain time delay, the output will be off. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm giving my timer T0 NC contact in the latching condition, that is a pulse timer, and I'm giving the pulse delay time as 80 seconds. So after after our switch is on, the output will be goes to on condition. After certain time delay, that is 80 seconds, the output will be automatically goes to off condition. But still our switch X0 is an on condition. It's similar to on delay timer, but there the output will be in the input will be in on off condition. But here the input is in on condition only. The output will be on. The output will goes to on state, as well as after certain time delay it will goes to off state. This is a pulse timer operation. So compile our program and download it and run to PLC and go to online mode. Now set on our input, that is switch on. Our input, we can see the output is on. After certain time delay, that is 80 seconds, the output will be goes to an off condition. Still our input is in on condition only. So this is a pulse timer operation. Again, I would like to show you. Click on off push button, off the switch, and again on it. You can see the output is in on condition. Certain time delay, the output will be goes to off condition. So this is a basic pulse timer operation. Hope you guys understand. In later videos, I would like to cover on counters and reset timer, reset counter, and also on data registers using timers and counters. So hope you guys understand. Go to offline mode and stop our PLC and stop the simulator. This is a basic video on timers, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.